Chiang Mai, the Rose of the North, has a rich history, cultural experiences, and natural beauty. Here's what you can do here. 1. Explore the old city temples. Visit Wat Phra Singh and Wat Chedi Luang to admire stunning Lana architecture and experience the serenity these temples offer. A must-visit is Wat Phra that Doi Suthep, located on a hill, providing breathtaking views of Chiang Mai and its surroundings. 2. Stroll through night markets. Dive into the vibrant atmosphere of Chiang Mai's markets, such as the Chiang Mai Night Bazaar and the Sunday Walking Street Market. Here you'll find unique crafts, clothing, and a variety of delicious street food to indulge in. 3. Take a cooking class, enroll in a local cooking class, and learn to prepare traditional Thai dishes like pad Thai or green curry. It's a hands-on way to experience Thai culture and savor your culinary creations. 4. Visit elephant sanctuaries. Spend time at ethical sanctuaries like Elephant Nature Park, where you can observe and interact with rescued elephants in a humane and natural environment. 5. Relax at a spa. Chiang Mai is renowned for its wellness offerings. Treat yourself to a traditional Thai massage or spa treatment to rejuvenate your body and mind. 6. Explore Doi Suthep National Park. Discover Thailand's highest mountain with hikes, stunning waterfalls, and the iconic King and Queen pagodas. The park's natural beauty is a treat for outdoor enthusiasts. 7. Take a bamboo rafting or ziplining adventure. Experience the thrill of Chiang Mai's natural beauty by trying bamboo rafting down serene rivers or ziplining through lush forests. 8. Learn handicrafts. Visit craft villages such as Bo Sang Umbrella Village or San Kamphaeng to watch artisans create intricate handicrafts, from painted umbrellas to silk weaving. 9. Discover Chiang Mai's museums. Dive into the city's rich history and culture by exploring the Chiang Mai City Arts and Cultural Center or the Lana Folklife Museum, which showcase the region's heritage. 10. Enjoy a river cruise. Take a relaxing cruise along the Ping River to enjoy scenic views, a tranquil escape, and a different perspective of Chiang Mai's charm. Chiang Mai is stunning and provides unique experiences that are different from other Thai cities. It's a place worth going to. To know more, visit www.thailandvisa.ae, like, share, and subscribe.